Hello, I'm Shashwat from 7B and I bring you to my PPT Jim Corbett National Park. It's on science project. Opening. Jim Corbett National Park is the oldest national park in India and was established in 1936 as Haley National Park to protect the endangered Bengal tiger. It is located in Nainital district and Pauri Garwala district of Uttarakhand, and it was named after Jim Corbett, a well-known hunter and a naturalist. The park was first to come under the Project Tiger initiative. Types of species. The park has sub-Himalayan bed geographical and ecological characteristics and an eco-tourism destination. It contains 480 different species of plants and a variety of fauna. The increase in tourist activities among other problems continues to present serious challenge to the park's ecology. Forest covers almost 73% of the park. 10% of the area consists of grassland. It houses around 110 tree species, 50 species of mammals, 580 bird species and 25 species of reptiles. Tourist area types of forest. Corbett has been a haunt for tourists and wildlife lovers for a long time. Tourism is only allowed in selected areas of Corbett Tiger Reserve so that people get opportunity to see its landscape and wildlife in recent years. The number of people coming here has increased dramatically. Presently, every season more than 70,000 visitors come to the park. Corbett National Park comprises of 520.8 kilometers square, 201.1 square mile area of hills, riverine beds, marshy depressions, grassland and a large lake. The elevation ranges from 1,300 to 4,000 feet, 400 to 1,220 meters. Winter nights are cold but the days are bright and sunny. It rains from July to September. Dense moist deciduous forests mainly consist of sal, hardu, peepal, rohini and mango trees. Forest covers up almost 73% of the park. The 10% of the area are grasslands. It houses around 110 tree species, 50 species of mammals, 580 bird species and 25 reptile species. History Part 1. Some areas of the park were formerly part of princely state of Tehri Gharwala. The forests were cleared by the Environment and Forest Department Uttarakhand to make an area less vulnerable for the Rohilla invaders. The Raja of Tehri formerly ceded a part of his princely state to East India Company in return for their assistance in ousting the Gurkhas from his domain. The Buksas, a tribe from the Tehri, settled on the land and began growing crops. But in the early 1860s, they were evicted with the advent of British rule. History Part 2. Efforts to save the forests of the region began in the 19th century under Major Ramsay, the British officer who was in charge of the area during those times. The first step in the protection of the area began in 1868 when the British Forest Department established control over the land and prohibited cultivation and operation of cattle stations. In 1879, these forests were constituted into a reserve where restricted felling was permitted. Geography. The park is located between 29 degrees 25 and 29 degrees 39 N latitude and between 78 degrees 44 and 79 degrees 7 east longitude. The altitude of the region ranges between 360 meters and 1040 meters. It has numerous ravines, ridges, minor streams, small plateaus with varying aspects and degrees of slope. The park encompasses the Patli Dun Valley formed by the Ramaganga River. It protects parts of Upper Gangetic Plains, moist deciduous forest and Himalayan subtropical pine forest ecoregions. It has a humidity subtropical and highland climate. Fauna. More than 586 species of residents and migratory birds have been categorized, including the crested serpent eagle, blossom-headed parakeet, and the red jungle flow, the ancestors of all domestic fowl. 33 species of reptiles, 7 species of amphibians, 7 species of fish, and 36 species of dragonflies have also been recorded. Bengal tiger, although plentiful, are not easily spotted during the abundance of foliage camouflage in the reserve. Thick jungle, the Ramaganga River, and plentiful prey makes this reserve ideal habitat for tigers, who are opportunistic feeders and prey upon a range of animals. The tiger in parks have been known to kill much larger animals such as a buffalo and even an elephant for food. The tiger prey upon larger animals in rare cases of food shortage. There have been incidents of tiger attacking domestic animals in times of shortage of prey. Leopards are found in the hilly areas but may also venture into the lowland jungles. Small cats include the jungle cat, fishing cat, and the leopard cat. Other mammals include barking deer, sambar, hog deer, and chital, sloth, and Himalayan black bears. Indian grey mongoose, otters, yellow-throated martins, Himalayan gorals, Indian pangolins and langurs, and rhesus macaques. Owls and night jar can be heard during the night. In the summers, Indian elephants can be seen in the herds of several hundreds. The Indian python found in the reserve is a dangerous species capable of killing a chetal deer. Local crocodiles and gharials were saved from extinction by captive breeding programs. The subsequent released crocodiles into the Ramaganga River. Other attractions. Dhilika is a well-known destination in the park, situated at the fringes of the Patli Dun Valley. There is a rest house which is built 100 years ago. Kanda Ridge from the backdrop of Dhikal. There are also views of the valley. Jeep safari is the most common way to travel within the national park. Jeeps can be rented for park trips from Ramnagar. Treks. Tourists are not allowed to walk inside the park but only go trekking around the park in the company of a guide. The winter season is cold, so tourists should make proper arrangements for their clothing if they are traveling in the winter season. Walking safaris are possible in the buffer zone areas, are very rewarding, with Corbett having a very healthy and lush rich buffer zone around. Look for lodges around with trained staff for the same. Kalanga Dam is located in the southwest of the Wild Sanctuary. It is one of the best places for bird watching tour. Many migratory bird waterfowl come here in the winters. Corbett Falls is a 20-meter waterfall situated 25 km from Ramnagar and 4 km from Kaldhungi on the Kaldhungi-Ramanagar highway. The falls is surrounded by dense forested and pin-drop silence. Garija Devi temple is sacred to Garija Devi and is mostly visited by traveling during the Kartik Purnima, November-December. It is a prominent temple located on the bank of river Khosi, amidst hilly terrain of Uttarakhand, nearby Garji village at a distance of 14 kilometers of Ramnagar, Uttarakhand, India. ecosystem and economic assessment study of Jim Corbett Tiger Reserve estimates annual flow benefits to be 14.7 billion. Important ecosystem services include genie pool protection, providing of water to downstream districts of Uttar Pradesh, water purification service to the city of New Delhi, employment for local communities, provisions of habitat of refuge for wildlife, and sequestration of carbon. Reference: Really, Laura William, 2005, Natural Strongholds. Singh Ashok Reddy V. Singh, Analysis of a Wooden Vegetation of Corbett Park. Tiwari P.C. Joshi, ed. Wildlife in the Himalayan Foothills. Corbett National Park. Project Tiger Decorate. UNEP, World Database on Protected Areas, India, Corbett Park. Drayton F. Terrific Terrary Air Arc Landscape in India. Pant PC, Plants of Corbett National Park, Uttar Pradesh. Rao RSP, Secondary Succession in the Buffer Zone of Corbett Tiger Reserve, Uttaranchal, Current Science, Indian Academy. The Pioneer, Trouble in Paradise. Reading references: Corbett Jim, Man-Eaters of Kumaon, Corbett Jim Nayak, Prasanta Kumar, Durga Charang, Jim Corbett of Kumaon, Marina Booth, A Life of Jim Corbett, Carpet Sahib, Meera Davidson, Convictions of Heart, Jim Corbett, Verling T. Jim Corbett, Master of Jungle, Jalil J.A., Under the Shadow of Man-Eaters, The Life of Legend of Jim Corbett of Kumaon. Khati A.S., Jim Corbett of India, Life and Legend of Messias. John Singh, A.G., on Jim Corbett's Trail and Other Tales. Gupta Rita Datta, Jim Corbett, The Hunter, Conservation, Rupak and Company. Thank you.